Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete cache and junk files in your Windows. Okay? So let's get started. First is you need to press Windows and R key together, and once you open Run, just type prefetch, fetch. And then the moment you type prefetch, just click on OK and you will be redirected to this new window. Here, you can see a bunch of files which is created by the systems and not by you. Okay? So here, you need to just click anywhere and then Control A to select all and Shift to delete or just click this trash bin icon. And will and once you click that, it will delete all the files created by your systems. Okay? So those files in use will remain present here. It will not be deleted. Okay? So the next step is we need to go run again, press Windows and R key together, and type temp. And then click on OK to proceed. And you will be redirected to this new window. So in my case, I don't have any files present here because I have just done a cleanup. And if in your case you have any, just click anywhere, Control A, and then to delete or just click this trash bin. Okay? After that, close this and let's proceed to the next step. So the next one is we need to press Windows and R key together, and instead of typing temp, we will type temp percentage and then click OK. Once you click OK, you will be redirected to this new window again and you will see file folders and files. Okay? Here, just click anywhere again and then Control A to select all and then delete. Those folders access denied, just keep because these are files in use or present in your computer. I mean active. You're using this. Okay? After that, let's close this and move to the next step, which is to press Windows and R key together, and this time we will type clean mgr. This is my favorite part actually. Then click on OK. And this cleanup will start calculating how much space will free up in your computer. Okay? Here, you need to mark all of this because these are junk files created by your system and not you. So this is harmless and this will not delete the data that you've created. So in my case, if I delete this, my disk cleanup will free up to 1.87 gigabyte of disk space. Okay? And after marking all of this, just simply click on OK and then delete files. And now it will start on deleting and removing all the junk files in your computer. Okay? So those are the steps that will help you to delete cache and junk files in your computer. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.